Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add fade out effects in timeline or in a Camtasia video. So you have to look for the left hand side this option and you have to find the audio effects. If you can't find the audio effects here, you have to click on more option, this one, more. Click on more and you'll find here audio effects here. Click on this audio effects and then you'll find here fade out, this option you can see here, right? Fade out. All you have to just left hand side click and hold for 1 second and drag it to the timeline. Okay, and you can see that fade out has been added to the timeline. This is so simple guys, you can do it within 10 seconds. This is so simple. So guys, if you find this is how you can do this guys. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.